Dear students of Munich Business School, we are very pleased to inform you that you have been chosen for the restructuring program RES Z 24135. This program aims for the restructuring of global society in purpose of improving the common good. With this personal letter, you gain authority to change society. You can either pass a law or allocate a budget. Society has to benefit from your decision. Everything else is up to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we've heard today, the United Nations have passed a law. The law obligates every member state to meet the basic needs of citizens living in poverty.
His goal is to go back to school in order to get an education, to become financially independent.
The Luxury Products Tax Law is a solution to tax a luxury product purchased after a certain price point. This tax will then be automatically distributed to different foundations the brands are working with.
Only by supporting each other we can retain our different cultures and make a difference. Therefore, in my opinion, it is essential that the UN passes a law that improves the pension regulations and helps people in old age support themselves in a dignified way.
Fast fashion isn't free. Someone somewhere is paying. Lucy Siegel.
So now I am telling all and every single one of you that we have to implement the change and bring fairness in our country by introducing the new law